Hello Twitter users! If you're looking to maintain a more private online presence, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set up your Twitter account to private mode, giving you control over who can see your tweets. Let's get started. Now step 1 is to access your profile. Begin by opening Twitter and navigating to your profile. This is your starting point for adjusting your account settings. Step 2 is to access account settings. In your profile, locate the settings and support section. Within this menu, head to the settings and privacy. Step 3 is to navigate to privacy and safety. Within the settings and privacy section, find and click on the privacy and safety. This is where you'll find the options to control who can interact with your tweets. Step 4 is to adjust audience and tagging. Under the privacy and safety section, look for audience and tagging. This is where you'll find settings related to who can see and interact with your content. And step 5 is to enable protect your tweets. In the audience and tagging section, you'll find the option to protect your tweets. Enable this option to make your Twitter account private. This means that only approved followers will be able to see your tweets. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can set your Twitter account to private mode, giving you control over who can access your tweets and interact with your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more social media tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell to stay updated, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Now enjoy a more private and controlled Twitter experience.